Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pinocchio. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the nose. Let's start with a curve down here. Then from the top, let's angle it out to the left. And the same thing underneath. Now let's close off the end with the curve. Next, above the nose, let's draw the left eye with an oval curve up and back down. And then let's add two curves inside on the bottom right. And then let's color that inside one in black. Next, let's move over and draw the right eye. Next to the nose here, let's start with a curve. Then let's draw a large curve up and back down. Now inside at the bottom, let's draw two curves. And then let's color the inside one in black. And that's it for the eyes. Let's move up on the top right and draw the eyebrow now with the curve. And then let's thicken it up slightly. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Underneath the nose, let's draw an angle like this. Then let's curve it down and back up. Then at the end here, let's draw an S-shaped curve. And then one more curve below it to close off the mouth. And then inside, let's add two curves at the bottom for the tongue. And then underneath the mouth, let's add another curve. Next, let's draw the shape of the face. Let's move up on the top left, and let's draw an S-shaped curve above the nose. Now below the nose, let's draw a curve down, like this. Then hop to the right, and let's curve it up, stopping here. Now above it, let's add the ear with a large curve. And then one curve inside at the top. Next, above the ear, let's draw a large S-shaped curve down. And then from the top, let's draw a large S-shaped curve over to the left and down past the face. And then from the end, let's curve it back up, stopping here. Now for that top line, let's curve it all the way down to the right next to the ear. And then at the bottom, let's curve it back in. Next, let's add the hat on top of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up, over to the right, and flick it up at the end. Now let's move down, leave a gap, and let's draw the same thing down like this. And then at the end, let's curve it back into the head. Now let's move back to the top of the head and let's draw a long curve down like this. And then the same thing above it. Next, let's add the feather coming out on the top right. Let's start with 2 diagonal lines in between here. Then above it, let's draw a curve up to the right. Then curve it down, stopping here. Then let's add a V-shaped notch in, and then curve it back down to close off the feather. Next, inside, let's draw a curve down the center. And then 2 diagonal lines on the top left. And that's it for the feather. Let's move up and finish drawing the hat. From the top of the head, let's draw a curve up to the right and then curve it back down to the feather. And then let's continue that line below the feather, down like this. And that's it for Pinocchio. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!